Okay, time is 6:40 a.m. And I'm done with my phone time, kaya pauwi na ako. Hi, Chan! Oo, tapos na ako. Thank you so much! Si Chan. Time check, it's 7:18 in the morning at namalengke na tayo. Ayan, pauwi na tayo. Ayan, ang ating daan. Sobrang aliwanag, sobrang ganda. So, 7:30 na ng umaga, no? And kailangan ko talaga matulog kasi may racket ako mamaya, may event ako mamaya. So, what I did is minom ako ng pampatulog. Nag-choking kami for my birthday. Time check is 2:23 p.m. At nakaligo na ako at nakapag-ayos para sa aking event for my birthday. Hindi po to event for me ha. It's a wedding. Napag-hostan ko lang po siya. Hi there. Time check is 3:15 in the afternoon. There, I decided to grab some coffee habang nag-iintay ng start ng wedding. Hi everyone, time check is 7:58. Ayan, kita nyo, ngarag na ako kasi I just finished my event, no? At pauwi naman po tayo. Actually, dadan tayo kay Mimay to get the tent. Then after that, we're going home para naman sa ating next na lakad. Ay, kapagod. Let's go! Hi! Thank you so much. Time check, it's 8:15. At andito naman ako. Thank you na! Andito naman ako kila Mimay to pick up the tent na